Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to make mini tomato keychain. We're going to start with a magic ring. So we're going to wrap the yarn around the fingers. When you flip it, there will be two lines. We're going to hook under the first one and hook into the second one. Then we're going to finish it with a chain, and that is a magic ring. Next, we're going to make a single crochet. So we're going to insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull the yarn out, yarn over again and pull the yarn through the loops. That is a single crochet. Since we need 6 single crochet for the first round, we're going to make 5 more. Once you're done, you can pull the yarn to close the ring, and we are going to continue into the second round. And for the second round, we're going to make increase. So we're going to start with a single crochet first. Then, still on the same stitch, we're going to make another single crochet. And there is an increase, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. And for this round, we're going to make an increase for each stitch. Continue into round 3. We're going to start the round with a single crochet. Then we're going to make an increase on the next stitch. And that is the pattern for this round, a single crochet and an increase. We're going to continue with this pattern until we reach the end of the round. Moving on into round 4, we're going to start with 2 single crochet. Then we're going to make an increase on the next stitch. And that is the pattern for this round, 2 single crochet and an increase. We're going to repeat this pattern until we reach the end of the round. We're going to continue into the next round, and for round 5 until round 8, we're going to make a single crochet for each stitch. It's going to look like this, and we are going to continue into the next round. And for round 9, we're going to start with 2 single crochet. And we are going to make a decrease next. And to make a decrease, we're going to insert the hook into the front loop of the stitch, and also the front loop of the next stitch. We're going to yarn over and pull the yarn out, yarn over again and pull it through the loops. and there is a decrease, and we are going to repeat the pattern of 2 single crochet and a decrease until we reach the end of the round. We're going to continue into the next round, and we are going to start with a single crochet. Then we're going to make a decrease next. And that is the pattern for this round, a single crochet and a decrease. We're going to continue with that pattern until we reach the end of the round. Next, you can insert the stuffing. And we are going to continue into the last round. And for the last round, we're just going to make decrease for the whole round. Once you're done, you can cut the yarn. And for finishing, we're going to grab our hook and we are going to insert it into the front loop of the stitch. We're going to yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop. And we can just repeat the same step for the rest of the stitches. Then once you're done, you can just pull the yarn to close the hole. You can continue by weaving the end. Next, we're going to make the leaves, and we are going to start with another magic ring. And then for the first round, we're going to make 5 single crochet. Then for the second round, we're going to make increase for the whole round. After that, we're going to make 4 chains. We're going to skip the first chain, and on the second chain, we're going to make a single crochet. Next, we're going to make half double crochet. So we're going to wrap the yarn around the hook, insert it into the chain, yarn over and pull the yarn out, and there will be 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull it through all the loops. That is a half double crochet. On the next chain, we're going to make another half double crochet. We're going to skip 1 stitch and make a slip stitch on the next one. And we are going to repeat the same step. So make 4 chains. Skip the first chain, and on the second chain make a single crochet. Then make a half double crochet for the next 2 chains. skip the first stitch and make a slip stitch on the second one. And we're just going to repeat the pattern 3 more times or until you reach the end of the round. And it's going to look like this. You can cut the yarn, or if you want to sew them, then you're going to need a long tail for sewing. And for the last step, we're going to need a black yarn to make the eyes and the mouth. And that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!